Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful CMS admin dashboard template, totally free and fully responsive. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So we see the beautiful CMS admin template. See, beautiful sidebar, toggle functionality, top section, search, day and night view, languages toggle, messages toggle, notifications toggle, and user toggle as well. And this is the beautiful content section, see guys. Dashboard, beautiful stat section, new users, active user, beautiful charts, total sales, conversions, leads, profits, and the revenue growth, see guys. Earning stats, see friends, champions, customer overview, client payment status, country status reference, top performer, and the tables, all items, best match, reference, loss action, and the footer. And guys, let me show you its responsiveness. And file is fully responsive. See, friends. See my browse, it's fully responsive. And guys, if you will have any kind of query, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my virtual blog, therichpost.com. His contact us page. In this page, you will get my email ID, my WhatsApp number, and my Upwork ID as well. And guys, also for a full-time freelancer, you can hire me on an hourly basis. And guys, also you will get multiple free stuff. And guys, for this template, I will share the course snippet link inside this video description as well. So friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.